Hi techies! It's Fluffy. Honor will release their latest update to the tablet lineup, the HONOR Pad X9a. Join us as we unbox the tablet together with the bundled smart keyboard case. Let's dive into the unboxing. First of all, let's unbox the HONOR Pad X9, a smart Bluetooth keyboard. The case feels premium to the touch and the keys on the keyboard feels just right. Keeping in mind that the keyboard is part of the case. Unpacking the HONOR Pad X9a, revealing its sleek packaging. Inside the box, we get the HONOR Pad X9a in storm gray, sky blue, or moonlight silver, charging cable and adapter, user manuals, SIM ejector tool for expandable storage. Holding the Pad X9a, it immediately stands out with its premium design. The smooth aluminum unibody, measuring 6.77mm thin and weighing just 475 g, makes it easy to carry and handle for long periods. One of the strongest features of the HONOR Pad X9a is its large 11.5-inch 2.5K display with a 120Hz refresh rate. 1200 x 2000 resolution delivers crystal clear visuals. 400 nits peak brightness ensures visibility indoors and outdoors. 86% screen-to-body ratio provides an immersive viewing experience. 180 Hz touch sampling rate for smooth scrolling and gaming. This makes the Pad X9a ideal for binge watching, reading, and online classes with multiple eye protection features reducing strain. Under the glass, the HONOR Pad X9 runs with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 chipset built on 6nm process technology for power efficiency and smooth performance. 4xA73, 2.8 GHz plus 4xA53, 1.9 GHz CPU for fast app processing, Adreno 610 GPU clocked at 1.26 GHz for better graphics rendering. Paired with HONOR OS Turbo, performance remains fluid with smart memory expansion optimizing multitasking. If you're passionate about the latest in tech, filmmaking, gaming, and digital innovation, this is the place to be. Help us reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year and be part of a growing community that dives deep into the future of technology. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Join the conversation, share your thoughts, and let's build something amazing together. Let's make this milestone happen. Once again, this is Fluffy. See you next time.